Speaking microwave oven, I am going to take this chance to talk you about how appliance I bought and satisfied with, which is a microwave oven. If my memory serves me right, 4 years ago, on the occasion of my mom's birthday, I decided to buy something that can share her burden with cooking and use my saving to buy. Microwave oven is very advantageous due to its convenience. If when we compare it to traditional cooker, microwave oven has a broad benefits as well as change in our cooking in habit. Uh, Firstly, it can and it can boil, porridge, steam rice, and defrost meat. Also, we need to suffer from the smell of smoke and unbearable heat and oil in the kitchen if we cook with microwave oven. Finally, nutrition in vegetable or meat can be maintained to the rated extent. Parents are very satisfied with this